Let's break it down. First, there are the reconnaissance drones. These are the eyes in the sky, constantly gathering intelligence and feeding crucial data back to command centers. Next, we have the combat drones, armed with missiles or bombs. These are the heavy hitters used for targeted strikes. Finally, there's the kamikaze drones, also known as loitering munitions. These are designed to crash into their targets, often taking out critical infrastructure or high-value targets. Let's explore some of the various types of drones being used in this conflict. On one side, you've got Ukraine leveraging commercial drones, like the DJI Mavic series, for reconnaissance and artillery spotting. These little guys might not look threatening, but they allow Ukrainian forces to spot Russian troop movements without exposing themselves. On the other hand, Russia has deployed more sophisticated drones, like the Orlan-10, for intelligence gathering and targeting. They can fly high, gather crucial battlefield information, and even direct artillery strikes with pinpoint accuracy. And let's not forget about the infamous Bayraktar TB2 drones that Ukraine has used to devastating effect. They've been credited with taking out Russian tanks and supply trucks, showcasing how drones can shift the momentum in key battles. These technologies aren't just helping with surveillance, they're actively influencing tactics on the ground, making the traditional front lines almost obsolete. Take, for example, the TB2 Bayraktar, a Turkish-made drone that played a pivotal role in the early stages of the conflict. This drone significantly impacted battles by striking heavy targets and gathering crucial intelligence. However, as Russian air defenses adapted, Ukraine shifted to using smaller, more agile drones. One key instance was the use of these smaller drones in precision strikes, which turned the tide in localized skirmishes by targeting and neutralizing Russian artillery positions. One of the most significant moments in this conflict occurred when a Ukrainian drone strike successfully destroyed a key Russian supply line. This operation crippled the enemy's ability to continue their offensive, showcasing the incredible effectiveness of drone warfare. This event wasn't just a tactical victory, it demonstrated that drones are not merely tools in the arsenal but true game changers in modern warfare, shifting the balance on the battlefield. To sum up, drones have fundamentally changed the landscape of modern warfare, particularly in the Russia-Ukraine conflict. From surveillance to direct combat, these UAVs are rewriting the rules of engagement, forcing both sides to adapt in real time. As we look to the future, the role of drones will only expand, not just in military contexts but in global security strategies as a whole. What do you think about the rise of drones in warfare? Will they eventually replace traditional military strategies? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to check out our other videos on military technology and how it's shaping the future of global conflict. If you found this video insightful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for our next deep dive.